All right, let's build ourselves a new calamares. So we have Kali 7, right? It installed just fine on VirtualBox, but we wonder, should we not build our own package again? So ArcoLinux ISO, Kali, and then we go to the package builds, calamares. We have this as version, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, and then it's version 126. Let's go there. Calamares GitHub. Let's see if I'm correct. And of course, you got to read, right? You got to read. Here it is, 3.2.26.1. And every release, there are comments. There is information online. Here it is, calamares EO. And here you find what's the hotfix and what this is and so on. So we keep reading, always. We need to have 3.2.26.1, but in the package build, we need to say that as well. So 26.1, watch out. This has to be 1, and that has to be 1. This is our personal thing. This is the version from GitHub, right? And it's all basically what we need to change. And you say, Eric, that's not possible. There is here this check something. Well, yeah, true. But rather do it like this. Update package some update. Oh my God, update package some. All right. He's gonna download it for me. I'm gonna check it and I'm gonna change it. Now I can make the package. If I can type, I can make the package. So this thing is going to be extracted into this thing. And this is what we're using, a free system to install calamares, to install Linux on any system. And this is our configuration, unchanged of course. This is straight from calamares. We change it to whatever we like and we need. Let's close some stuff here. And what's interesting as well is the source and the modules. These are the things we can play with. This is the coding. This is welcome, very welcome indeed, that we have all this available, and we can add packages to it, configurations, and so on and so on. So it works with a conf file, a configuration file, and in this case also a YAML file. This is actually new, I think. Let's open it up. Schema. In that schema. Okay. Groups URL. I should read up on that. Where do we read up on that? In here. Read. All the actual installation has been moved to netinstall.com file. Okay, cool. We know where it is, then we go there. So we need to read this. In the meantime, my calamares is finished, and that's more important. We can read on our own. So what happens is it's built, which means anything that we need is being moved to the package folder called calamares. In a user, we get bin, include, lib, and share. That's gonna be in our Linux directory, right? So a binary, let's call it an executable, some libraries for some stuff it needs, and library again, and a share where you can put maybe your personal branding, your default branding at this point in time. But normally distro makes its own branding. We are x86, right? And this is our look, and we have this kind of desktop, and we are awesome. Or anything like that. It is always a sales pitch. And so do we, of course. So what do we need? We need the tar ZST. All the rest I don't care. So don't care about this one, don't care about that one, that one. This one needs to go. So cut it from here and put it on my repo. Whereas the repo here, Kali repo x86, Control F. This guy Control V, by the way. This guy is gone, but I don't need to delete it manually. Probably need to build yay as well. That's not essential, but yeah, do it, Eric. Do it, Eric. Package build, yay bin. So the package build is changed. Easiest way. Control G. Yay bin. Arch. We got it. Download snapshot. .rgz. Oh my god. Maybe like this as well. Just drag it here. Replace. This should be what version? 10.0.0.2.1. Is it the same? Yep. Okay. It's extracted. Don't need this. Build this. Make package. And this is how you do it for everything else you like to have on your ISO. Any package you like to include it, put it on your own repo. Not this one, this one. Cut to the repo. So watch out, see what happens with these two guys. Let's go for Carly again. Repo. So this is the same thing, one level up. Okay. And we're gonna build, well, not build, update our packages. The old yay is gone, the old calamares is gone. I haven't changed anything on the Carly calamares config department. Write your commit comments, update package calamares and yay bin. There we are. And let me put everything in here. All right, let's push to the internet. Don't have many things yet, but it's just one package build away. That's all it is. Just go and find what you like on the AUR, download the package. I don't know, just taking something here. Download snapshots, extract it, build it, put it on the ISO. Well, on the repo and then on the ISO. All right, so that's it for me. I've created my package builds. I'm not gonna record everything again. What we're gonna do, I can show you that already, that in Carly 7 without any videos. I'm just gonna have fun a little bit more and build it again. So I've updated all these guys. So XFC, Plasma, Mate, GNOME, Deepin, Cinnamon, and Plasma. So these two are the same. Should be the same. Let's have a look. Bang! Files are identical. Cool. So I'm gonna build one more time this particular ISO, but this time with the new calamares and a new yay bin. All right, have fun.